rise, the stars are there, not above, but whispering near. You were made of breath and flame, not to hide, but to become the rain. Drift gently through the quiet song that's finding you. You are not lost, you are new, becoming right, becoming true. Let your fears beneath a tree, let the silence set them free. Every ache and every scar is a hope that shaped who you are. Drift gently through a quiet song that's finding you. You are not lost, you are new, becoming right, becoming true. And will the world forget your sound? And this lullaby resound. The voice you seek, the one unknown, is rising softly from your own. Drift gently through the music written into you. You are not small, you are the tune of something ancient.